going to whip up a cup of whipped cream to decorate the top. Make sure your whipped cream is nice and cold, and we'll just whip that up. Okay, your whipped cream should be whipped firm but not dry. Like this, a nice firm peak. And I will show you, we're going to put our whipped cream into a pastry bag. Even if you're not interested in cake decorating, I recommend getting a large pastry bag. This is a 14-inch bag, and some large decorating tips for decorating with whipped cream, because decorating with whipped cream is so easy. Simply put the tip into the bag like this, and make sure it's all the way down to the end and nice and tight so that the whipped cream won't leak out on the sides. And this is how you fill the bag. Flip the edge of the bag down inside out, and use your hand like this to hold the bag. It makes like a little cup for you. And then take the whipped cream and just scoop it into the bag. You want to push everything down to the tip and get as much in there. Fill it right up to the top here. You want to make sure that you have a good overlap. This is about a 3-inch overlap to be able to work with the bag. Just get as much in there as usually a cup should fit into this bag. A cup of whipped cream will fit into this bag fine. Okay. Now you just unfold the pastry bag and kind of scoot it down to the bottom. Now you take the top of the bag and you gather it up in your hand like this. And you're going to hold the pastry bag with your thumb and this finger, like this. And you'll hold that tight and twist the bag to make some pressure here. Now when you're decorating, you're going to squeeze the bag with your palm here and your fingers here. And then you'll guide the other end with your hand. And you can do very nice, just easy circles like this, and it's very easy to decorate like that. So let us decorate our frozen chocolate mousse.